Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Are you tired of feeling trapped in a dead-end job, struggling to make ends meet? Well, I've got a story to share that starts off on a negative note but ends with incredible possibilities. Imagine a life where you're your own boss, earning money while living on your terms. Sounds too good to be true, right? Wrong. Welcome to the world of dropshipping, where you can break free from the chains of the 9-to-5 grind and unlock the path to happiness and wealth. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a thrilling journey, revealing every step of the dropshipping game plan. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to embark on an adventure that can transform your life. Alright, let's begin by understanding the concept of dropshipping. In a traditional retail model, you would purchase products in bulk, store them, and ship them out to customers yourself. But dropshipping flips the script. With dropshipping, you act as a middleman, selling products from suppliers without ever handling inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Simple, right? The key to dropshipping success lies in selecting a profitable niche. Your niche is a specific market segment you'll be targeting with your products. It's essential to choose a niche that aligns with your interests, but also has a sufficient demand and profit potential. Conduct thorough market research, use tools like Google Trends and social media platforms to gauge popularity, and narrow down your niche based on competition and profitability. Now that you've defined your niche, it's time to find reliable suppliers. You want to partner with suppliers who offer quality products, have competitive prices, and can fulfill orders efficiently. Some popular platforms to find suppliers are AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehoo. Take your time to vet suppliers and read reviews to ensure they have a good track record. Building strong relationships with your suppliers is crucial for a smooth dropshipping experience. With your niche and suppliers in place, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it easy for you to create a professional-looking store without any coding knowledge. Customize your store's design, add product listings, and optimize your site for a seamless customer experience. Remember to focus on building a brand that resonates with your target audience. Now that your store is up and running, it's time to drive traffic and generate sales. One of the most effective ways to do this is through digital marketing. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to promote your products and engage with potential customers. Run targeted ads, collaborate with influencers, and create compelling content that showcases the value of your products. The key is to reach your target audience and entice them to visit your store. As orders start pouring in, providing excellent customer service becomes paramount. Promptly respond to inquiries, address concerns, and resolve any issues that arise. Remember, happy customers are more likely to become repeat customers and recommend your store to others. Additionally, stay on top of order fulfillment by communicating effectively with your suppliers and ensuring timely shipments to your customers. No dropshipping journey is complete without analyzing and optimizing your business. Dive into analytics and track key performance indicators like conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and profit margins. Identify what's working and what isn't, make data-driven decisions, and continuously optimize your marketing strategies, product offerings, and customer experience. This ongoing process is crucial for long-term success. Congratulations! Your dropshipping venture is gaining traction, and it's time to scale up. Explore new marketing channels, expand your product range, and consider outsourcing certain tasks to free up your time. As your business grows, you may even explore establishing relationships with local suppliers for faster shipping times and improved customer satisfaction. Keep pushing boundaries, stay motivated, and remember, the sky's the limit. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to dropshipping success. Remember, this journey won't be without its challenges, but with dedication, perseverance, and a solid strategy, you can build a profitable dropshipping business and create the life you've always dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future videos. Until next time, happy dropshipping, and may your business thrive.